Art Services Houston. We are able to manage all aspects of your project, whether you are arranging an exhibition, installing art in the workplace or in a private home. We will carry out a site visit and discuss the project with the client before providing a working statement illustrating how we will proceed. High quality is the basis of all we do. And we offer a broad range of knowledge and expertise for all parts of a logistics project. We can plan your transport routes, manage customs, insurance and security, and arrange storage solutions of single objects as well as whole collections. We offer expert advice and handle packaging, transport and installation of smaller pieces, heavy sculptures or whole collections or exhibitions. We are members of international networks of art transporters, and our staff has many years of experience with a drive to safely solve your specific needs. We can manage all the steps in your project, from conservator evaluation and documentation of your pieces to highly secure storage, manufacturing of special packaging for transport and managing all your documents and logistics all the way to the finish line. Our staff are experts at what they do. They understand the challenges your project entails and find specific and safe solutions, both in temporary short-term solutions or as a long-term logistics partner with a global reach. Put your trust in our expertise and experience.